You got a big haul ready to open up, right, Jace?
Mm-hmm.
First, starting with the pin pack. Those I can get my wire.
Hi and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. You see. What pack is that? Furnace Ablaze?
Yeah.
And then you got a Cinder Move from that 2-pack.
Look, I know. Card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm being. It's a card trick.
Buskin. Nature. Hatida. Nicket. Arbiter. Maka. Carablast. Ducklet. Ooh. We got a reverse one. Ooh, Hollow Blaze again. I think we have this one, right?
Yeah, we do.
We just went over the Darkness Ablaze. This is a Hollow Rare.
This is easy.
Reverse Rare.
This is easy to open.
The Sun and Moon?
Green. Not good.
Oh, that's what Julian says, right?
Yeah.
Well, these two are different though.
I know, that one was right.
Mm.
That was supposed to be. I'm green.
Wishy-washy. What is it?
Wishy-washy.
It can be.
Rowlet. Buck.
Grimer. Reverse is a Pinsir. Rare is a Toucannon. You open up the other?
Yeah.
Blister. Or was it 2-pack pin?
Yeah.
With the same pin?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Destroyed.
Destroyed. Oh, yeah. It is my wild pin.
We have Charizard. Take that for last. This is easy to open.
Then in Moon, we got those 2-packs at each of you, right?
Mm-hmm.
What you got? Energy. Goodbye. Corsola.
Ooh.
Repel. Pelipper. Tugudabor. Chinchou. Makuhita. Hey, Caterpie.
Butterfree.
Butterfree is the rare.
That was
Pissimian
hard.
is the rare. Uh-oh. Torzo.
Open is good.
Do these come with 2? Oh, these only come with 1, right?
Here, a white. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. Andy.
Laylam.
Here yourself.
Yours.
Yeah. Now for the blisters.
You doing blisters or these? Or a big pack? Big pack?
Jumbo pack. What is this like this?
The helper, you got it. Got some Killing Rain. Some X-White Fates Collide. We did boosters.
What's wrong?
Let me see.
I get really confused.
You got 2 booster packs. What is it? Ooh,
He got Dumbo. He got
Chesp and
Purple
Chesp. Fennekin.
and Brookie.
Brokey, you needed those, huh?
For my
Nice.
number binder. I'll open this for easy. This is easy.
Which one's that one? Sun and Moon?
Yeah.
The movie's the toy. For the brand new reality.
Someday.
Perfect.
Pokeball.
Great ball.
Then.
Man, we haven't got a hit yet, right? We got one hollow hit, but that was it.
White code. Get
Or pickle or pickle. Electabuzz party.
Oh!
Oh! Do we have this one?
Yeah,
We do?
yeah.
Oh, well, we have
Look
one
all these
already.
are Pokemon.
Is it the same one?
Nope.
It is, I think.
But it's a promo.
That was a promo, that was not.
Look all these are Pokemon.
Napoleon party. We had that one in Bath already or no?
Yeah.
Well, you need it for your binder, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice, finally. At least we got one ultra rare.
Now we want to
Holy
do
me.
the sisters.
Which one you doing first?
Sisters.
Bath style? We still need that full art Urshifu. Ooh, nice. That was a good open. Pack not destroyed. I don't know, dude.
Hungry.
Tuttle.
Hugo.
Ooh.
Horsey. Yankee. Robo.
Lobo.
Hugo. Who's a rare.
Marowak.
And I want to do this one, Saddle Rider.
Oh shoot. It's time for some
Chilling.
challenge.
Oh, that was a good opening. That was good.
Born to be and we born to be
Ooh,
the baby.
Power Rex.
Ooh,
Ice
calories. Oh, you forgot these two. He's having some difficulty. He's trying to not destroy the pack. Oh, what is he gonna do? Find out in the next episode. Good job, good job.
White code.
You know what that means? Let's go. Come on, we need some good hits. We don't have any. Do we have any ultra rare for Chilling Rain right now? Not yet, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that 4. Ooh, a U one. Give me trainers.
Ghastly.
Yeah, that one.
Rewind. Ghastly. Poor one.
Look all those gas.
Looks.
Ooh.
Oh, we did get a hollow hit. So rude. I think we got this one up.
No.
Nice. What's next?
Saddle Rider.
Shadow Rider. So it's not the same as what's inside the box, huh?
Is it 5?
Fibers! Oh shoot.
Four.
Energy! Brokey. Oh nice. Oh no, that's Sabo, sorry. Put them together, please.
Hmm?
Diglett. Dearling. What the? The reverse.
Where is this? Wait, Sato's harass. This is you. I need to see what's inside of these. That what?
Harmony. Are you doing that one next?
Yeah, this one for us.
Oh, okay. Put this one separate. That way, I know there's a lot of chill and rain we need. Ooh, fates collide. Here, use this one for that. I guess.
And what about the coin?
What coin is it? Chespin Chisp.
Where's our Dumbos?
Over here. You can put them right here. So you have space. Pause real quick.
Huh?
Restart. Restart. Nice no hollow. Normal ghastly.
Like code. The rare already.
The rare already?
I didn't know what happened.
Oh, maybe these were different because these are really old. You
Like,
can tell they're older.
oh yeah, I did 4. I forgot I was supposed to do 3. Remember?
Oh, yeah. Oh, dang. That's a nice Omanite. These are new cards we haven't seen, right?
Yeah. I have some. Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
You have
okay.
some. Ooh.
Reverse. Mega catcher.
Now
You doing
let's
that
see.
one?
This one. Ooh.
Ooh, another slight fake flag. Okay, careful, because you're gonna do that.
This for the girl. Yes. And we have sidecar.
You need help?
No.
You wanna look at it?
Nice.
Nice.
Ooh. Yeah, the white coat. Three.
3 this time?
Yeah, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Because they're old. I just said no errandies.
Oh, that's why it's 3, because no energy. Ataria Spirit Link. Stone Fossil,
Ooh.
Kabuto, Burmy, Larvitar. Nice.
Meow.
Hey, me up there, right? Ooh, Fennekin. 2-1 is a reverse. Bronzong is a. Look at you! What about you, Bronzong? Man, he had one hit. Had like what? Had like 10 packs though. Man, that's some bad luck right now. Let's get some good luck right now. Come on. Get some good vibes, Jace. Send some positive back. In your direction. To the right.
White code.
Come on. We need some positive back.
Try to show you.
Put him on here. Let it in. One. Crap roller.
Who's
Let it.
Brokey?
Ooh.
Gengar.
Oh, nice. A hollow Gengar.
Why does it still 10 damage?
Hey, look, rewind. Ghastly. Gengar.
I need help.
Ghastly.
I need help.
Wow, so. It's all destiny.
Pokémon 2.
Yep. Let me see.
How don't you put it back in there when we take it out and put it back the promo in there?
Mm-hmm.
But that's how Carl does it.
This Carl gives them away.
Huh?
I see Carl be giving stuff away. Here, just leave it up. Rewind! Let's see both of them.
Look at all these are Pokémons.
Rewind!
Look at all those are Pokémons.
Let's see.
Keep them.
It is a little bit different. Same move, but you can tell the face is a little bit different. Oh, how many packs came in?
4.
Are they all
Shadow Styles.
2 battle styles?
I'm putting them in order.
Oh, that's 5 packs. Cool. Darkness Ablaze. Darkness Ablaze. Oh no, Shorter Seal.
3, 4.
Oh, let me see this one. Have we ever opened up a Celestial Storm pack?
No.
Oh no. That's pretty nice.
No, we did it. Okay, I'm gonna do all this to I'm doing all this to
Oh, this the newest?
yeah.
I like that. I like that.
What's this one?
And chest and cheese. Rewind.
White code.
Come on, we need some good stuff now.
Show some good luck up on now.
Not energy. Don't give us no energy. Throw that out here, please. A bike. Super Scooper. Sea Dots. Flame Pearl. Okay.
Ooh!
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Electro GX.
Give it
That's
up.
definitely a new one. Sleeps. Can we
Look
get
all-
a? Can we
look
get
all-
a? Bloop?
Look all that thunder behind you.
That is one mean electrode right there.
Dang, someone wants good stuff right here.
Hopefully this 10 is a magical 10, right, Jace?
Another.
Come on, 10. Hook us up, 10. It's about. What the? Pokémon Center lady. Oh, wow.
Ghastly. Ooh.
Yes, rewind, Ghastly, Haunter. Vulpix reverse. Oh, nice. A shiny
Now,
Bolton.
time for the big one.
I love it.
Time for the big one.
What is that? Darkness Ablaze?
Yeah, you have a chance to pull a Charizard.
And guess who already pulled the Charizard VMAX? That guy! Who?
Huh?
Who?
Charizard VMAX.
That guy pulled it.
Why? I didn't stick around. Looks like that.
Black and white. Get that out of here. You put it together if you want. Soul Rock. We're down to our last two packs. Last two
Look,
packs.
it's blue.
Magic. Can't be glued. Those are brand new 10, boy. Last two pack magic.
Two-pack magic. What's around us?
Oh. Pause.
Sorry about that.
That was your boy Julian. Called in to check in. Oh shoot.
What?
You did 4 or 5?
4.
Okay.
Look. Oh.
I told you! It's alright. Just put Charum over here. Dang it. Not an ultra rare hit, just a hollow hit. Just put them all down. Crawdons.
Last pack.
Oh man, last pack magic. Can we get more than 1 or 2 ultra rares, please? You didn't get no rainbow rares, no gold cards, no secret rare. Come on, Jace. Do it right here, Jace. You got it. Looking good, looking good. The white didn't give us nothing. Let's see if the green give us something. Nobody wants energies.
Yeah.
Weapon mode.
Peace.
What are they, kid? Ah, another primate and a... Oh, we're gonna work on our binders. We'll be back. See you later, alligator.
See you later.